Hey, orchid lovers! Have you tried everything but your orchid still won't bloom? Or maybe your plant looks wilted with yellow leaves and weak roots. Today, I'm sharing a super simple but powerful trick to bring your orchid back to life and help it bloom beautifully. Let's dive in together. After one blooming season, my orchid started showing small spots on its leaves, a sign that the plant is weakening and the flowers are coming to an end. Eliminate old land and old moss. Also, where are you tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're facing any challenges with your orchid care journey, let me know below. I might feature your question in the next video. Let's learn and grow together, one orchid at a time. Let's trim off the faded flower spike. We can place this flower spike in a vase to enjoy its beauty, perfect for welcoming guests or adding a touch of charm to your space. Removing rotten roots helps your orchid preventing disease spread. Rotting roots often carry fungus or bacteria that can infect healthy roots. Okay guys, if any of your orchid leaves are broken from bumps or handling, just cut them off. And don't forget to rinse your orchid. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Next, we're going to use 1 sweet potato. Sliced it out. You might think sweet potatoes are just for eating, but guess what? They're actually super good for orchids too. They're packed with natural sugars, starch, and vitamins that help your plant recover and grow stronger roots. Next up, we're using garlic. Yep, garlic isn't just good for us. It's like a natural remedy for orchids too. It has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties that help protect orchid roots from rot and fungal infections. Do you prefer big orchid blooms or long-lasting flowers? Drop a 1 for big blooms or a 2 for flowers that last longer. I'd love to know what you think. Soak it for 30 minutes. Next up, we're going to use 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric has natural antibacterial properties that help protect your orchid's roots from rot and fungal infections. Soak it for 20 minutes. After 30 minutes, filter the solution through rails. Don't throw away the leftover residue. We can recycle it into natural fertilizer for other plants in the garden. Dilute the mixture with 1,000 milliliters of clean water. We dilute the solution to lower the concentration and avoid damaging the plant, especially orchids. Their roots are super sensitive. Filter the solution through rails. So, the reason we dilute the solution is to make it gentler for the plant, especially orchids. After that, we're going to use the turmeric solution to gently wipe down the plant. It helps disinfect the wounds and keeps the plant healthy. Are you having any trouble taking care of your orchids? Let me know in the comments, and I'll answer in the next video. Now, let's combine the turmeric water with the sweet potato and garlic extracts. Stir the solution. Pour the solution into a small bottle. Soak it for 20 minutes. Next, we're going to use cinnamon to help dry up the wounds. Cinnamon has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, so it protects the roots from infections. Next, let's give our orchid a brand new home. After all the cleaning and treatment, it's time to repot it and let it start fresh in a cozy new pot. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, drop a "so good" in the comments to show some love. Thank you so much. Don't forget to water your orchid, okay? Gotta keep it hydrated so it stays happy and healthy. Don't throw away the leftover solution, all right? You can totally use it for your other plants too. It's super economical and still full of nutrients. You can use a spray bottle to mist the plant. Just twice a week is enough. It keeps the orchid fresh without overwatering. Or you can water the orchid thoroughly and let the roots soak for about 20 minutes. This helps the plant absorb nutrients better and keeps the roots healthy so it can grow stronger. After 4 weeks of care, you can see the orchid leaves have become thicker, stronger, and greener. After 4 weeks of care, you can clearly see the orchid roots have recovered well. Some of the older roots have turned green again, and you can spot those fresh green tips. That's a sign of new root growth. The healthy roots are firmer and gripping the medium better, which means the plant is absorbing nutrients more effectively. So that's it for today's orchid recovery journey. After 4 weeks, the progress is looking amazing, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. Really helps me keep creating more content for you. Thanks so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.